Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see what are the view data, ViewBag and temp data in ASP.NET Core MVC and how we will use these things to pass data from controller to view and controller to controller as well. Okay. So these three things are called it as a state management in SMVC. Okay. So first let's discuss about the view data. Okay. So what is the view data? So the view data is a kind of the dictionary object. Okay, it means that we always work with the key value based things as well. Okay, or it requires the type casting as well. Okay, requires type casting. So whenever your object is complex, okay, suppose your object is kind of a string, integer, or like primitive kind of data type, so you don't need to it is not required to typecasting. But in case of like you are using, like you are sending the object list, so in such case you will be required the typecasting in the view as well. Okay, so it only works in the current request. Okay, so this is the few things that you should know about the view data. Okay, or guys, these three things always ask in the .NET interview questions as well, so you should know the differences between these three things as well. Okay, so first let's use the view data. Okay, so we have seen that the flow of the view data from controller to view. Okay, so this is the things that you should know. Okay, so this is the controller. Okay, so in the controller I am defining the view data. Okay, or suppose the key that I want to use as a student name. Okay, so the student name I will put it as Rohan. Okay, so simply I will go there. Okay, or let's move to the home view index. Okay, so this is the home, or this is the index.cshtml. Okay, or basically I will just put it here, or I will just give the as a string. Okay, so let me remove this thing here. Okay, let me make it as like this. Okay, so view or in this scenario, like we don't need to mention the things in case of primitive data types. Okay, so as we have already discussed earlier in this video. Okay, so we have set up all the things. Okay, we are sending the value from controller to view here. Okay, or let's run this application. Thereafter we'll see that are we actually getting the data from controller to view, or is it actually workable or not. Okay, as we have discussed in this video as well. Okay, so along with that, let's wait for run this application. Okay, so it always works for the current request. It means that this, so what is the current request means? So so suppose the request that I am sending from controller to view, so that's the current request, that's it. Okay, or if you want to see, so you will get Rohan here. Okay, it means that the things are actually working in case of view data, and we are sending the value from controller to view. So this is how the view data works. Okay, now let's move to the view bag. Okay, so how the view bag works in ASP.NET Core MVC. Okay, so let's stop this application. Okay, so I will stop this application. Or first you should know the basics of the view bag and what, like how we use the view bag in ASP.NET Core MVC. Okay, so let's name it as a view bag. Okay, so it is the dynamic wrapper of the view data. Okay, so it means that view data. Okay, like we don't need any typecasting. Okay, so I require, okay, so no typecasting require. Okay, along with that, works only for the current request. Okay, so it behaves same like the view data. Okay, so works in current request. Okay, the flow of these thing is from controller to views. Okay, so we have seen that how the view data works. Okay, or there is a thing that you should know about, that it is a dynamic wrapper of the view data. It means that suppose uh, like uh, like what is the dynamic of the view data. Okay, so let's copy the things, or I will just remove this thing from here. Okay, or first we will define the view bag, like how to define the view bag as well. So let's paste the thing. Okay, or I will name it, I will put the name as a Rohan. Okay, so this is the syntax of the view bag dot student name. Okay, or if you want to cross check, okay, so let's go there. Okay, or there is a view data, let's keep the view data here. Okay, okay. So so that we can understand that like what is the dynamic wrapper of the view data. Okay, so let's run this application. So it is a very important thing to know, like here I am using the view bag, or here I am using the view data, so it is workable or not. So this is the must and important thing to know about, like is it workable or not. Because we have seen that it is a dynamic wrapper of the view data. It means that it is saying that we can use the view bag and view data together. Okay, so let's wait to run this application. Thereafter we will see the actual results. Still we are getting the value Rohan here. It means that if you are using the view bag, or there you are using the view data, but make sure that the student name and the keys are should be same. Okay, so it means that we can use view data and view bag together as well. Okay, but what if I will use here that view bag dot student name. Okay, so still it is workable or not, like it's still workable or not. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to stop the application. Okay, let's name the things here. Okay, so I will run this application. Okay, so that we can confirm that those things are working or not as well. Okay, so we are running the application successfully. Okay, or let's reload the page as well. So let's wait for run this application. So you will see that we got the Rohan as well from the controller to view using the view bag. Okay, so I hope you get to know about these two things as well, view bag and view data. Okay, now let's move to the TempData, but this is a very important thing as well. Mostly we use the TempData uh, like almost every cases as well. Okay, if you want to send temp data, like if you want to send value from the home controller to the dashboard controller, so in such a way you should always use the temp data. Even you can use with the current controller as well. Okay, so first let's understand what is the temp data. Okay, so temp data is used to pass the value from the controller to view. Okay, like you should know the direction of flow of the uh, these things as well. Okay, so controller to controller as well. Okay, after the redirection, there is the must thing that you should know after redirect. Okay, so we have added the things. Okay, so it always survives in one request, redirect request as well. Okay, redirect request. So we put the things here. Okay, or suppose let's remove this thing, or I will name it as a temp data, or basically I will just use the student name. Okay, or I will put the Rohan here. Okay, so first we will check with the current controller as well. Okay, so we will send the things from here. Okay, or temp data, I will just use the student name here. Okay, so let's wait to run this application. Okay, so I will just stop the things here, or let's complete the things here. Okay, or I think we have forgot thing as well. Okay, I need to add the @ sign here. Okay. So let's run this application, or let's see that how the data is flowing from controller to view. Thereafter we will see the flow of data between the controllers as well. Okay, so we got the Rohan here, that's pretty good. Okay, everything is working fine. Okay, so we have seen the flow of the data from controller to view in case of temp data. Okay, so now let's understand that how the data is flowing from like one controller to another controller. Okay, but that's a very important thing that you should know about the things as well. Okay, so first let's do let's add some changes here. Okay, let's add the anchor tag. Okay, so which using the anchor tag, what I will do here. Okay, so I will create action method. I will check temp data. Okay, so this is the method that I will create here. Okay, so thereafter click here. Okay, suppose I will just add the anchor tag here. Okay, or simply it will just go there. This is the home controller, or let's define the things here. Okay, so public I action result. Okay, so I have created the method or return redirect to action. Okay, so redirect to action. Okay, so we have added the things here, or index as well. Okay, or which controller I want to send. I want to send the dashboard controller. So this is the dashboard controller. So I like whenever I will click on this button, so it will hit this method, or this method is redirecting to the index of the dashboard controller. So you will see that it will directly land here. Okay, there is, so let's define the temp data as well. So I will define the temp data as a like student name. Okay, so we have defined the temp data as well. Okay, or let's remove the temp data from here, or make sure guys, like whenever you use the temp data, view data, so please keep the keys different as well. Okay, otherwise you can see the conflict errors, and you will definitely get a lot of confusions while you are working with the such things as well. Okay, so we got the temp data here. Okay, let's copy this thing. Okay, or I will go there. So I will go to the dashboard thing. Okay, so first I will suppose I want to make the things here. Okay, suppose I whatever the value I will get from the temp data with from the another controller to here. Okay, so basically I will just assign the value in the view bag. Thereafter what the thing I will do here. Okay, simply I will just add the viewbag.name here. Okay, so that we can check that everything is working fine or not, and like or the flow of the data is working or not. Okay, so I think all the things we have added here. Okay, now let's run the application so that we can confirm that everything is working fine or not. Okay, and we are sending the value Rohan from the home controller to the dashboard controller. Okay, or thereafter what the things we are doing here. Okay, we are just sending the value here. Okay, so first let's add the debugger here so that we can see like we can visually the things as well. So we call the this method. Okay, or let's assign the value into the temp data student name. Okay, it will redirect me to the index as a method from in the dashboard controller. Okay, so we got the things here. Okay, it came here, or we assign the value into the viewbag.name to the another things. Okay, yes, so we got the dashboard page here. Okay, with the Rohan name. Okay, so I hope you get to know idea about that how we are sending the values from controller to controller and controller to view as well. Okay, and guys, trust me, you have to work in such a way as well. Okay, so you have seen that we are like, first we have created the dictionary temp data, thereafter we got there. Okay, or we are like we are getting the value here, we are just binding the value with the view bag, or basically we are using the view bag here. Okay, so I hope you get to know idea about such things as well. Okay, or start using these three things in the MVC projects. Okay, these three things are very necessary to use in your applications as well. Okay, so guys, I just hope you love this video, you love this content, and I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or networks as well, and hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.